every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Naglagay na tayo guys ng no cubes and beef cubes. Any kind of cubes na gusto nyo po. I-mix nyo sa water or durugin nyo lang po. Yan, lalagay natin. Depende kasi yan guys. Ako dalawang nilalagay ko para mas malinamnam at malasa siya. Pagkatapos, ito naman ang ating hinanda na lemon. Kalahating lemon juice, kalahating glass lang po. Depende kung gaano karami yung gagawin yung warakin. Pero ako kasi, pag 4 cups na Egyptian rice, kalahating lemon, kalahating glass. Tapos, haluin na po natin. Ayan na guys, ating nakahanda na hugasan na 4 cups na Egyptian rice. Ayan, i-mix na natin guys. At ito nang nakahanda natin na grapes, warak inab. Ayan, umpisa na natin guys magbalot. Ayan na siya. Hindi ko na lang papakita guys yung pababalot ko, pero nandyan na, okay na rin yan. Ayan, umpisa na natin kasi nalubat ako niya nung nagawa ko ng video. Ayan. Ayan, sa ilalim ng kaldero pala guys, lagyan natin yung dahon ng warak inab bago ilagay yung naka-arrange na potato para hindi siya masunog. Yan ang purpose. And then, ito na yung nagawa natin na warak inab. I-arrange na natin sa ating kaldero. Kailangan guys, sa pag-arrange natin ng ating warak inab ay walang butas o talagang nakasalansan siya ng maayos. Para pag kumulo siya mamaya, hindi siya bubuka. Kailangan dikit-dikit siya ng maayos. Maglalagay tayo ng olive oil. Half glass na olive oil. Pagkatapos half glass again na lemon. Ayan ang ating pinakasabaw guys. Tapos 3 cup o 3 glass ng water. Kasi medyo matagal ang ating pagpapalambot nito guys. Ang warak inap. Kasi ang apoy natin hindi naman na gaano kalakas. Sa umpisa medyo malakas siya muna after 30 minutes. And then mababa ano na yung apoy niya. Mababa na, mahina. Maglalagay tayo ng plato. Ang purpose yan guys, sa paglalagay natin ng plates ay para talagang sumikip. Ang lalagyan natin ba ng mabigat, yan ganyan, para pag mamaya pag kumulo na siya, hindi bubuka ang ating warak inap. Ganon pa rin ang pagkaka-arrange niya. And then babalutin na natin ng foil ang ating kaldero para hindi siya sumingaw. Ganito yan guys. Ayan, patayin na natin. And then, ililipat na natin sa isang lalagyan. Pag nilipat na sa isang lalagyan, yan, palalamigin natin ng 1 oras. Ilalagay muna natin sa labas. Papatol sa mesa or sa labas lang sa kusina. Bago ilagay natin sa ref mamaya. Dito sa amin kasi, ang mga amo ko gusto nilang kainin yan, hindi mainit, gusto nila medyo malamig. Nandun daw kasi ang lasa pag malamig. Yun ang gusto nila. Kaya bago natin lagay sa ref, kailangan palamigin muna natin siya at least 1 hour bago natin takpan. And then pag malamig na siya, lalagay na natin sa ref. At saka pag nailagay yan mga guys sa ref, kahit ilang araw yan, nasa ref siya, hindi siya masisira. Kasi may suka, o may vinegar siya, may lemon. Depende kasi sa nagagawa. Iba kasi may suka. Pero kami lemon lang nilalagay namin. Yan, kahit 2 weeks, 1 month, hindi siya masisira. Basta nakalagay lang siya sa ref. Ayan guys, I hope nagustuhan nyo ang aking menu for today. More learning guys. Ayan, so yummy yan guys, napakasarap. Ayan, thank you guys. Huwag niyong kalimutan i-subscribe ang aking video para sa next na aking mga upload ay updated po tayo. Thank you and God bless all.